In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer images onto Canvas. This simple guide will help you bring photos from your device onto Canvas quickly, making for personalized art pieces or unique gifts. First, visit the design tool you're using, like Canva. Once there, look for the Uploads option in the sidebar. Clicking this tab opens the Upload feature where you'll bring your image files into the platform. Next, click on the Upload Files button. A window will pop up showing your device's file directories. Choose the perfect image or multiple files to transfer onto your canvas. Dragging multiple files at once can save time if you're creating several canvas pieces. After selecting your images, click Open. The files will begin uploading. Keep an eye on the progress bar as upload times vary depending on file size and number. Patience is key in this step. Once uploaded, previews appear in your upload library. To transfer an image onto the canvas, simply drag it from the upload section onto your canvas space. Position it carefully and adjust size or orientation using the corners or rotate tools. Think about balance and focal points as you position your images. Use alignment tools to ensure even spacing and a professional look. You can also apply filters, adjust brightness, or add text to enhance your design. Once satisfied with placement and design, review your work for any final adjustments. Then, proceed to export or print your canvas. Each platform has different options, so follow the respective instructions to complete your project. And there you have it, your image beautifully transferred onto a canvas. This method is efficient, user-friendly, and gives you full control over your final artwork.